Hi guys, Yuno here, and this is Medico High Security Padlock System Series 5451, and this is a very strong padlock with the plastic enclosed, and I never seen the bare body of this, and I never have a chance of trying to strip this off, and luckily I found some in the garbage which had been discarded already, and they are already broken, so I have a chance to see the bare construction of this behind this plastic encase. So I'll have to strip this plastic off, and this is how it looks. It looks like a layer of metal plate, like I think like with kind of a master padlock. You see the layer. That is the layer of this plate, and I will see what is the construction behind it. So I have one here that's already been the rabbit heads are already been grinded. I'll try to strip it one by one, and I found out that this kind of padlock is quite amazing. This is the rivet which I had I took the heads off, and I found out there are 4 inserts on it. I think this is a long insert going up through here. So right now I'll try to strip it piece by piece by trying to take these rivets out, and I will see if I was right that this kind of insert is up to its head here. so there's no insert in this kind of padlock. It's quite strong, but I was surprised that there had been no insert, as like most of the interchangeable core Medeco is using, and also the big padlocks which they had produced. This kind is like just the same as master padlock layer of plates. Okay, thanks for watching, and good day.